My people, that this video I wanted to watch. This is Igbos. This is truly Igbos. And this is truly Igbo cultures. Please, if you don't know this man, help me send this greeting to him. Amos Rike. I say what? Amos Rike. Please watch the video.
I'm gonna shock one of my boy. Today is supposed to be his settlement day, but he's not awake. And he has been loyal to my company, mother. Junior, yeah? So as you can see, he's here. He's a good guy. He doesn't play with his jobs. He will even go extra mile to make sure that the company satisfies customers to their needs. When loaders are now around, he loads ties and doors, WC, and other materials that we sell to customers. So I commend him in a special way. He has been here, and some other people, like 3 other people, came and they have stayed to their normal year that was supposed to stay. Have settled them, but still he didn't relent in what Omelokwe Hena on actually email honor may feature clean and all that. There is a shop email any notice the email. The loaders are not, like I said before, the load from the money after. So there is one money. Mana you had no water. If you make no money, I guess you will make it. Today is Junior's payday. Because I get you Makana ndị Igbo sị na onye ọlụ nwere ụgwọ. Onye ọlụ nwere ụgwọ. Onye lụọ olie. Onye lụ kanarịa olike narịa. So I had no camera gosi Junior. Oh yeah, or the Gikoya serve go to 7 years. Junior serve go 7 years. And all the lawyer, all the humble, we're going to buy aqua. May go tell only aqua, my year, may go tell only a self pass or my go self pass. So all the sincere, all the faithful. Madonna can near Kita. There was no any queer boy. When you're going to choose a computer. So, nke a ga-akụziri ndị mmadụ ihe. Junior, how many years ka ị serve go?
7 years and
7 years and?
yes sir.
Ka ị shop nke ị chọrọ ka m wee setụrụ gị? Nke Lagos? Junior ịdịkwa anya ukwu mana ị deserve ya. At least ị nọ Lagos, ị nwee ike ịdị na-emekwara anyị wee bill ka anyị si eme ma doors ma ties. So ị deserve ya. Today I am going to settle you with 15 million naira. Mana ihe na agwa gị bụ gbadokwa anya like you have always been. Say what I go? You served more than expected. Other is Badani, you look at Lagos. Make sure no ties a many nubu kige super way. Other reason. But I commend you. I commend you other reason. Eddie, please come and present this check to Junior. Because it's not easy. It's a thing of joy.
Junior. Yeah, congratulations. Get right. Come, boy, you get what you know, guys, settle down.
Hey. Congratulations. Congratulations. He's well. Telling you, look at just you have company over more of you have a better organic, a better money, better nwa karịa ya nwe bụ omenala Igbo. Manager bịa because ihe mere junior ama m ihe dị gị n'obi ihe mere junior tata ka ga-emekwara gị because ị ga na-asị ka mbọsị nke gị ga. So I commend each and every one of you to make this business grow. Ọ dịrị izu ọkwa amala Chineke, so ọ ga-adara anyị ncha niile. Oge na-etere aka settlement nke gị ga-abịa. Mgbe nke gị ga-abịa, eluigwe na ala, ndị nọ n'eluigwe na ndị nọ n'ụwa ga-enwekwa aṅụrị. So all of us are going to marry and enjoy at the end of the day. So I commend all of us. I na-agbakwa mbọ ka the company grow. So Junior, congratulations. Jidekwe ka iji iruo Lagos igosi ha na ka ihe anyị na-eme n'Enugu na-enwe ụdị ha na-eme na Lagos. We move. Sure.